What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. So in this tutorial, I will introduce to a new term called tuple. So what is tuple? It is same as list, but there is a one difference. First we will write a list. It's just a function equals to, we all know that it's a list and so on. And for tuple equals to, when we put this parentheses, in case of these square brackets, it's become a tuple. So on. It's a tuple and it's a list. So what is the difference between them? If you try to append this, append it means if you want to add or remove this, remove. If you want to add any, let's say a new object here, 7, 8, we can add here. But if you try to do this in this, we cannot do this. Let me show you. Print list let's dot append this function, sorry, this object adds any object here in list. You want to add, let's say 10 in the list. Let's say what will be the output. Let me delete this first, save it, sorry. Python Python to again none. Sorry for that error guys, I have done a mistake. We have to remove this print from here, and we have write the code here, and then we will print our new variable. Here you can see that 10 is added here. Sorry guys, I got a call. Now here you can see that we have added a number here, 10. We can add whatever we want. Let's say we want to add 100 here. Here you can see 100 added. But if we do the same in, let's say, tuple, it didn't happen. It shows an error. You can see that we get an error. It means that the tuple is fixed. The number of objects in tuple is fixed, but in list we can add it, or we can also remove from the list. Let me show you how. Remove, let's say we want to remove 2 from the list. You can see that 2 has removed from the list. This is how a list and tuple are different from each other.